year for every person, both physically and mentally. No industry was left unaffected as the world transitioned into a lockdown last year. And believe me, in spite of that, 2020 would always be recalled as the mankind's year of accomplishment. Like any other industry, education sector was no different. As institutions worldwide ventured into newer ways of technology and teaching, our journey with WITS also started in a newer mode of online, finally translating into a campus experience. Going ahead with the ceremony, I now request our Management Association faculty in charge, Dr. Jayashree Mahesh, to present the brief of Interface 21.
Good evening to Professor S.K. Verma, our chair for this evening, Dr. Leela Rani, the head Department of Management, faculty colleagues, participating students, and students of the Department of Management BITS Pilani campus. Interface 21 had the theme of Managing the Change, Management 2.1. As the COVID pandemic created wide-scale disruption for businesses and people, the theme of Interface pivoted around the innovative strategies and solutions that organizations had to devise to be resilient in the new normal. There were 2 keynote addresses and 2 invited talks that focused on different aspects of this particular change. The inauguration of the 43rd edition of Interface was organized by the department, first time as a virtual event on 19th March. This was graced by the Vice Chancellor of BITS Pilani, Professor Souvik Bhattacharya, and the Director of BITS Pilani campus, Professor S.K. Barai. This was followed by the keynote addresses by Mrs. Sandhya Sharma, Schindler India, CFO Schindler India, on individual aspects to manage change. The second keynote address was delivered by Mr. Radhesham, Head Transformation Allianz Technology Asia Pacific, who spoke on the role of enterprise transformation in overcoming the pandemic. Our first invited speaker, Mr. Prateek Singh Babna, an alumnus of BITS Pilani, spoke about the future of workplaces post-pandemic. The second invited talk was by Mr. Kshitij Batra, who delivered a talk on HR issues and partnering and HR Analytics 2021. This year, as already told to you, we had a record registrations of 3,227, and this was the highest in the past years, in spite of having a scaled down event with only 7 competitions. Some of the participating institutes in this year's interface were, I am Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, I am Calcutta, I am Lucknow, Faculty of Management Studies Delhi, Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode, XLRI, IIFT, and many more. Our key sponsors for this year's event were National Industries, KGOCs, Dare to Compete Platform, and Ticker. The winners will be announced shortly by our Dean Administration, Professor S.K. Verma. The certificates of participation will be issued by the D2C platform immediately, and in a few days, we will also transfer the cash money for the prizes to all the winners. I thank all the participating innovators for having made.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon stage Dr. BITS Pilani, Professor S.K. Verma. Professor Verma obtained his master's degree from Banaras Hindu University with specialization in cyanobacteria and applied phycology, before completing his PhD in the areas of environmental biotechnology from the same university. Sir worked as a research associate at the University of Hyderabad in the area of microbial and molecular genetics. Sir joined BITS Pilani in the year 1993 as a faculty member in the Department of Biological Sciences. Over the years, Sir has served on several administrative responsibilities, such as Head of the Department, Chief Warden, University-wide Dean. Currently, Sir is working as a Professor of Biological Sciences and Dean Administration for BITS Pilani campus. Kindly grace the stage with your words, Sir.
Thank you very much, and very good evening to each one of you. I know that you all are eagerly waiting for the results of the various competitions which were held. But before that, I wish to congratulate the organizers, especially the student team members, for taking up the challenge to organize such a big event where 3,000 plus participants are there. I know for past so many years, the interface has groomed the management student, imparting the management skills. But this time, their own skills were tested. They had to organize such a big event on an online platform, which they took up the challenge and did it so nicely. I also thank the faculty members of management department to guiding these students in a proper way. So I think we can move on.
So we'll move on with the results now.
So before that, I congratulate all the winners and also thank the judges who took up this challenge to judge the event. So the first one is the Genesis, the case study. The winner is Team Streamlinkers, KJ Somaiya Institute of Management. The first runner-up is Critical Blots, the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Moneyball, the IPL auction, winner is Googly, the Institute of Management Technology, IMT Ghaziabad. The first runner-up is Deccan Chargers, Department of Management Studies, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. The Best Negotiator Award goes to the three planners, KJ Somaiya Institute of Management, Mumbai. Then what's in the brand? The winner is Abhay Agrawal, Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, University of Delhi, New Delhi. HR Triathlon, winner is Team Vyugya, National Institute of Technology, Trichy, Vishnu Bharat Bhupati, and Karthik M. The first runner-up is Team Unagi, International Management Institute, New Delhi, Manvi Gupta, Shreya Agrawal, Modi. And FinStocks Virtual Trading Simulation. The winner is Siddesh Pandhare, National Institute of Technology, Raipur. Runner-up is Tabi Shifran, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Delhi. Then finalist case study competition. Winner is Team Illusion, BITS Pilani, Vartika Chaudhary, Aparna Anand Prakash Khare. Runners up Team Northside Hustler, Indian Institute of Management, Rohtak, Madhav Upmanyu, Utkarsh Verma, Laksh Chandrakar. Abhivyakti 21. Winner is Team NT. Tanya and Naina, IIT Madras. First runner-up is Team Enemy Fans, Mohit and Sahil. KJ Somaya Institute of Management.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the winning teams. We do have a few participants here with us on WebEx who would be sharing their testimonials. But before that, we will go to our faculty coordinator, Dr. Shelly, to share her experience about Interface 2021.
So I feel this is my first academic experience, so it's great to be a part of Interface, and I feel really happy to be working with students who are so energized, and it was a great learning experience working with the faculty in charge, Jayashree ma'am, as well. So congratulations to all the winners. And it was a great, I hope it was a great experience for all the participants, student teams, and for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now we'll start with the participants. Firstly, we have Abhay with us from DU. Shortly, we'll be talking to Abhay. We're adding him. Hi, Abhay. I hope you can unmute yourself now.
Yes, am I audible?
Yeah, you're very much audible. Welcome.
Okay. Hi, first of all, a very good evening to all the faculties, to all the student members, and to the entire team present there. I really loved the entire concept of the event, right from the quiz part. That was the very first thing that we qualified, and then moving on to the case study, as well as finally presenting it in front of the judges. So it was a really amazing experience, and I really got to learn a lot. Last 3-4 days were really fun participating, as well as if I am allowed 10 seconds, so I'll just share one thing. I always wanted to be a part of BITS Pilani as a student, but I couldn't make it during the exam time. But at least now I'm finally lucky to interact with the teachers, the students of BITS Pilani, the members. So it's actually worth it, worth every effort and worth every time. So that means a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope all the best to all the students and all the OC. And looking forward to next year as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhay, for your warm words. It would have been great if we could see you, and if you can turn on your camera, that would be really great.
Because camera is a little blurry, but I hope I am able to make it.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. So we'll move on to the next participant now. The next participant we'll be bringing to the dais is Karthik, who has won the HR title in. Hi, Karthik. Karthik, I hope you can unmute yourself now.
So, am I audible?
Yeah, you are very much audible. Can you please turn on your video if possible?
Sorry, it will be a technical glitch here and there.
No issues if you have signal problem.
Yeah, it was a nice experience for me because long back we had a lot of competitions from other colleges, but it was a unique competition right from the quiz, then case study, and for the last mock interview we had by today. So it was a nice experience. We gained so much of knowledge, and also the panel taught me some of the topics. So it was a nice experience for us to be a participant, to be in this.
Thank you. So moving on now, we will call upon Vartika, who is from our own campus, BITS Pilani. Hi, Vartika. So we are adding you in the panel. I hope you can unmute yourself now, Vartika.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, Vartika, you're audible. Hi.
Yeah, hi. It was a great experience solving the case, and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Vartika. Thank you, participants, for your enthusiasm. It is your zeal that has made this event such a success. Now, before we end the event, I would now call upon Saket, the President of Management Association, to present his vote of thanks.
Very good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our respectable Dean, Administration, Professor S.K. Verma, our Head Department of Management, Professor Leela Rani, our Faculty in Charge, Dr. Jayashree Mahesh, and also our Faculty in Charge, Dr. Shaili Singh, for gracing the event here offline. Now, first of all, congratulations to all the winners today. We feel so proud to host Interface 21, and we are equally happy that you take your valuable time for participating in the event and making it a grand success. Hope we will collaborate again and again in the near time. Taking this stage to thank management of BITS Pilani on behalf of our entire batch of 2022 for their immense support, without which we cannot conduct this event. Also, I need to specially mention about two people over here. First of all, Professor NVM Rao, Head Department of Purchase, for helping us in getting our sponsors, as well as Professor Kumar, Dean Alumni Relations, for helping us with guest lectures. I would like to thank all our faculty of Department of Management as well for being so cooperative and helping us in conducting the entire event. Especially, I would like to thank Dr. Jayashree Mahesh. Ma'am, without you, Interface is not possible. You not only guided us, but also taught us innumerable experience, as well as backed us our mistakes, corrected our flaws, and improved us to be a better self. Now, we feel so lucky that you are our faculty in charge. Also, I believe we as a team learn many lessons. So this is for all the Masok family. I always believe there shouldn't be any sorry or thanks between the team, but after all the persistence you showed, all the patience you showed, and all the winning results and the standards you set, thanking is the least thing I can do for. I believe we as a team learned many valuable lessons in the terms of management, and in this interface, it helped us in a real-life office simulation where we learned about the vertical, horizontal communications, planning, organizing, crisis management, people management, and so on. And this was a major lesson of we learning of working together and bonding together. Once again, thank you all for believing in our dream, which is the best interface ever, and making it happening. So before telling about our executive committee, the organizing team, I would like to recite my favorite sloka from Bhagavad Gita, which is Karmanya Vadikaraste, Ma Phaleshu Kadachana, Ma Karma Phale Burta, Te Sango Vatgamani. That loosely translates to, your right is to perform your work, but never to the results. In all our ups and downs, in all the sleepless nights, even in hectic schedules from day to dawn, we all together working towards one common objective. We set our standards, we work towards one final achieving that is the best interface ever, and we never thought about the end result of whether it happens or not. Now that made us special, and I think we lived this entire quote during the entire tenure of conducting interface. I am lucky to be part of this team, and there is no word to express my pride in working with you all. Finally, to conclude the day, I once again thank each and every person on behalf of our batch. Now, before ending the ceremony, I would like to request our Head Department of Management, Professor Leela Rani ma'am, to say a few words about the event.
Yeah, good evening to all present. A very special thanks to Professor Verma for taking out time and coming and gracing the occasion and increasing the enthusiasm and the morale of our students with his very inspirational, supportive words. And also thank Professor Verma especially for all the admin support, without which the interface preparation starts about 5 to 6 months back. And there is a lot of admin support that we keep on seeking for any event to happen. Okay, and for that we have received tremendous amount of support, especially in these difficult times where a lot of institutes itself making a lot of adjustments to go on with operational things. In the midst of even these things, we never felt we were lagging behind for any lack of support or any inspiration or encouragement that could have come from administration side. So we profusely thank you for that, sir. We're all indebted to you for that. And the more pride we take in also conducting the event successfully, and that even as you said, doing it online is quite a challenge in many respects. So with the institute infrastructure, availability of the best of the infrastructure, and the enthusiasm and support of organizing team of students, and also the participants who have done their best to come and collaborate with us and to be with us with all the events. I'm sure it has been, and I hope it has been, a tremendous learning experience for all students. That is our ultimate purpose for encouraging you to host these events, to learn as much from your practical experience while on campus and outside the class. Very special type of arrangement, right? And I think the students have done a wonderful job in that respect. So from whatever I've been watching, I think they have done a very good job. And in that regard, yes, a very big thanks to all entities who have supported us all through. Thank you.
Ma'am surely represents how warm feeling Interface has for us and what warmth Interface has brought us to all. Now, before we conclude, I request ma'am to please present sir a small token of gratitude from our side for coming today. And thank you, everyone. Now we'll be concluding the event. I would like to thank all the participants who joined us today over the link, and sir for joining us here in the TP room. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day. Good night.